Good morning and welcome. It is the day of our drift day, Skidpan. We are keen, we're excited, we're ready to go. The boys are here and all the cars are here and everyone's driving down. So we're about to cruise on down to the track. There's a main track event on, Summer Showdown. So there'll be, I think, 30 or 40 drivers there. That track's open from 9 till 8 and we'll be watching that a little bit. But we're here for the main event, which is our event, and ready to go. So Prav and I are about to head down. We got Mr. Lachlan over here giving us a quick little shakedown, Muzz. But just take a look at this beautiful morning we've got down here in Winton and Benalla. Absolutely stunning. So we're about to get down, start the track, do the driver's briefing. Might do a little walk through the pits and show some of the cars we've got coming today. And then let's slap the GoPro on and get right into it and shred some tyres. All right, we have arrived at the track where it's all going to be going down in a couple of hours. Prav and I are just going to start setting up the layout. I've already run into issues. My handbrake has stopped again. When I say stopped, I put new shoes in and project new shoes. It's not locking, so I'm gonna have to jack the car up, pull the wheels off, see if we can adjust it from the hub, and then probably pull the interior off again as well and adjust it from inside there. So hopefully we can fix it. But we are about to set this up for all the boys. It's gonna be an epic day of drifting. We got main track on over there as well, and dude, so keen, honestly, so keen. Being back here, being on this Skidpan. It's been a while since drinks, but yeah, let's get it. And I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to sub if you haven't already, give it a like, and let's get into some skids. All right, so we're about to go on track for the first run. We've spent an hour and a half in the pits all morning. The car, yeah, not great, shut the bed. Snapped the handbrake cable trying to tighten it, and it completely just ripped off from the inside here. So from there, basically, there's nothing holding it now. So I've got no handbrake, which is fine. It's shit, but just means we're gonna drift old school way, like old school Jap style, which is just right foot brake. Doable, but it's not what we wanted. But let's go fry some tyres. I'm gonna set the GoPro up, get you guys in the car. Let's make something of the day. Phew! Alright, we're having a midday so far. It's going awesome considering I have no handbrake. We are still steering the shit out of this thing. Prav's killing it in his S15. Dude, we did so good today. Don't leave me. Thank you for organising this. Yeah, car's feeling good.
Unreal.
Love it, love it. So we got mine.
All the way.
Huh?
Gin U's all the way.
Gin U's on the rear.
Don't forget.
We're loving it. So we got main track on in the background over here. Currently we got Russ on track, kicking it. Smashing it. My car got real hot just then, so I'm at the point where I'm probably just going to start to cool down a little bit. Yeah, like it's just retarded hot in here. So anyway, keep shredding soon. Phew.
Fucking hell, man.
How's it been back in the JZX, Raj?
100%. It's been about 2 years since I've done a skid day in a chaser, so it's good to be back.
Yeah, dude. And how's the car running?
Perfectly. Don't need to do a cool down lap. Temps haven't gone up.
Unlike me, I'm baking it, and my temperature's 1 bar under red.
Yeah, don't stress, mate. It's just JZX110 things, mate.
Purity here, carbon. Got the Godi. Yeah. Got the RAV4
No, this is off a JZX110. It's a genuine chaser wheel, I swear.
Let's get on it.
Missed it hard.
What the fuck is going on here?
Yeah, because I just did my handbrake.
True. We're doing a ski with Michael. We're gonna ride past her. I'm fucking keen. Yeah, he just fucking said it. Oh, here we go. Ops, yep.
Alright, so we're about to go on the last run of the day. It's still pretty early in the day, like it's only 3:30, but like we got to pack up later and shit. I'm running out of tyres. Car's getting super hot. Massive thank you to Goblin for coming down and helping me out on the weekend and driving shit up. Unlucky that the handbrake didn't work, but we're still having fun. We're still fucking sending it, and that's what drifting's all about. So let's enjoy probably maybe one or two last runs. So let's get hot. Fuck yeah. 360. That was sick, bro. I'm done. And that concludes a freaking sick day. Blown out, a tyre, third set blown, it's done. It's still early, it's still like an hour of drifting left, or half an hour of drifting left, but we are done, so I'm wrecked. Got some great footage. I think I just did a 360 on that last run, which was like, never done 360 before. I thought I'd give it a go. Flicked it in, through it, and then it popped, so I'm kind of glad I got that last bit of enjoyment, but I definitely got my fix. Cars drove amazing. Thank you to Goblin for coming down and giving me a hand. Besides the handbrake, which we'll fix in coming videos, I'm sure. Everything went well. We'll wrap this one back up at the house with everyone there. And thank you to everyone coming down. Hope you had a great, sick day. And we're going to do it again. See you back at the house. All right, we've got Leon driving the BMW. Let's see him send it right now. Killing it, dude. Fuck yeah, boys are sending it. We got Mr. Tokyo out on track, Mr. Dean. Killing it. First time drifting. And he is sending it. Look at him. Right, we're back at the house. Just washed the car, given it a hose down. Lost boys have. We're absolutely spent. I'm shirtless because it is hot. And we are wrecked. We're going to have some food. We're staying here again tonight and cruising back tomorrow. But all in all the drivers had a killer day. Beginners to intermediate, you know, to experienced. No matter how many track days you've done, everyone killed it. I'm so proud of everyone. You know, giving it their all and testing their limits in a really, really safe environment. Definitely going to be doing it again. All the boys are super keen to come down, and Prav and I are probably going to organise it again. So, yeah, thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, give it a comment, subscribe if you haven't. And if you've made it this far, I do really appreciate you watching it. And until next time, when we're skidding JZX110 again, we'll see you then. Take care, guys. Enjoy. Bye.
Yeah, flex. I just wanna